the most amazing thing you'll see today. If you look up into the trees, you're going to see a nest that houses two owls. So how many times have you gone outside and not really paid attention to the nature around you? You've not been grateful for all of the beauty that surrounds us, whether it's the trees, the sky, the flowers. We are surrounded by beautiful nature. And by being grateful for it, it will help you. And by spending time in nature, it is going to help you stay grounded and happy. It's one of the easiest ways to get into gratitude is to be grateful for all that surrounds us, all the small things and all the big things.